Today's training on how to develop mobile apps without writing any code. So in today's video, we'll be looking at how to convert a website, a full functional website into a mobile app. Now you can see these are apps on my phone. I'm going to teach you how to convert any website at all into a mobile app. Make sure you stick to the end of this video so that you see. Watch this video closely. Anything you don't understand, drop your message or your comment on the comment section. I will respond to it. So let's get started. To do that, all you have to do is to go to our software or our website for creating apps, which I have already told you in my past video. If you have not watched those video, I'll add the video here. Just go to the description and continue and start the video from the beginning. So you go to app creator 24. This is the website that we'll use. It also has an app, but we'll be using the website because it's much more easier using the website. So let's log in. If you don't have an account, you can just click on this sign up here. This sign up here and sign up. Okay. As you can see, I've already logged in. These are the apps that I've developed already. These are the list of apps that I've developed for people. You can see these are apps. So we'll go straight into how to create a mobile app, or like how to convert a website into a mobile app. So all you have to do is to come to this place where you have create app. Let me circulate. Let me so that you see it clearly. So when you click on this create app here, as you can see, the first thing that you see is the name of the app and other details like the logo and all that. Okay, so what you do is to enter the name of your app. Let's just say you want to like any name of your choice, or but I suggest it should be the name of the website. So let's add this one now as coding artist web. Okay, this is it here, coding artist web. This is the name. So after that, the next thing that we'll do is to choose our logo. The logo will be the icon that people will see whenever they are going through, like the icon that will appear in your phone with the app. As you can see, you go to your folder where you have your image, and choose the best one for it. Okay, so let's go with this one. I think we should go with this PNG here. So you click on it here. When you click on this one now, you enter details about your, like you write a description about your app. Let's just say coding artist web is a website for developers to access website development resources. So let's leave it this way. Let's leave it this simple, but you can still write on, like you can still go on depending on the one that you want. So after that, the next thing that you do is to click on next. When you click on next, as you can see, it's saving here. When you click on next, it will take you to the step 2, which is to choose a style for your app. The style could be the color, like the header, like the header color and the background color. As you can see, we have different colors. You choose the one that's best for you. And when choosing, make sure you choose the same color with your website, because everything has to be in uniform. So let's choose this one because that's the same color with the website that we are converting to an app here. So after choosing it, you click on next. So as you can see, it has saved. This is the very important part of this app. Like you have to be very, very careful. So this one now will ask you the kind of app that you want to build. As you can see here, it says select kind of app you want to create. These are types of app that you can create using this platform, App Creator 24. But in this video, for the sake of this tutorial, we are focusing mainly on how to convert a website into a mobile app. So for us to do that, we use this web app because it says create an app of a website or blog. Here we have other ones like we have chat slash social. This one is for creating a social network app. This one is for TV or video app. This one is for quizzes. You can use it to create a quiz app, video sharing platform just like YouTube, forum, a community or something, radio station or music app. Then you have sticker and the rest of them. So let's click on this web app because that's the one that we want to create. Okay. It now asks you type if it's web page or RSS feed. Our own is a web page, so we leave it at web page. Next thing now is to add the name of your website. Let's just write coding artist web. Then next thing here is to enter your URL. When entering your URL, make sure that it's correct. Make sure that it's very correct, as you can see here, and make sure you start with HTTPS, that is hypertext transfer protocol. So you write it HTTPS in small letter, then you write www dot coding coding artist web. That's the website that we're converting into an app.com. So after this, you click on next, and this is a step 4. Get So after entering your details, your website name and the URL, you ask you to go to, like, you show you a button here where you go to the app manager. Okay, go to app manager. This is it, and this is your unique app ID. But we will not just stop here. There are so many things. This is when the main work starts, the designing of the app and other things. So next thing now is to go to, these are options here, like different options, different options. Say general info, design section, office, products, um send notification, add statistics and download app. So let's start with this general info. I want to explain the duty of all these menus for you. This one now, this general info is where you can change the name, edit the app, like add other things like rate app. In this second option I see, like this one here, rate app, launch message. This is the launch message, like the first message that people will see whenever they launch or click on your app to open it. It's not mandatory to add a launch message. If you can add a launch message if you think it's necessary and your users will like it, but if they don't like it, just leave it. But me, I prefer leaving it. Like, let them just go straight to the app and use the app. And also this one reads this rate app. I believe most of you are familiar with app. Like when you are using an app, after a while you see where it say, I believe you enjoy our app. Kindly rate our app or give us a thumbnail. That's where this one now will now come in. If you click on this rate app, it will ask you to show message for people to rate your app, and you must do this if you are sure that your app is on Google Play Store. If your app is not on Google Play Store, don't bother adding this rate app, because if you don't have it and you take it, the link will break. So it's advisable you do it only when you are sure that your app is on Google Play Store. You can finish creating this app, upload it to Play Store, then come back to this place here and add this rate app if you want it. So that's it for general info. These are the names and every details. Let's increase the version of our app. Let's include it to like 10 point something, 10.9. Yeah, this is the icon. These are the details. These are other details that's here. It says screen orientation, automatic. Show include include permission to user location. This one here is when you open the app for the first time, they will ask you, allow this app to access your location. If you want this app to be accessing users location, like to, you can allow it, but I don't think it's necessary for this one now. Let's just leave it at that, but you can still leave it for your own if you feel it's necessary to leave it. Then next one is include permission to receive notification. Yes, with this app you can send notification to your users with this icon here, this place that says notification. That's this place here, it says send notification. You can include the permission, like include people to, like ask people if they want to be receiving notification or not. You get? Then another thing is include permission to access microphone, like all those permissions and the rest of them. Yeah. Add add latest app user action, for example latest image published by app. Like this is like details of like your updates and everything in the app if you want it to be showing. Let's leave it at no. Add latest, and then this one is your add mob ID if you want to monetize your app. You get? This one is a Facebook app ID. Okay, let's just and this type here, like this place here, let me explain something to you. This place is very important. It says this place here, these two options here, generate APK and generates APK and A.aab. This generate APK is if you only want it to be an app. If you only want it to be the APK, like if you are not ready to upload it to Google Play Store, that's when you put it at only APK. But if you want it to be so that you can have the one you can download and upload, like you can download the app, because after creating this app here, we'll download it. If you want to download it and send it to Google Play Store, when sending it to Play Store, the file that you upload is this one now that has this .apk, as you can see. But for the sake of this tutorial, we are going to leave it at apk for now because we just want to get the app. We only choose apk and .aab if we are uploading to Play Store. For now, this is just for the sake of this tutorial video. I will still make video. I will still make my next video show you how to generate, how to upload your app on Google Play Store. We are going to do everything on this YouTube channel. Just make sure you watch this video and you subscribe because we have a whole lot of information to pass to you on mobile app development. So let's save. Let's click on save. It says yeah, when saving, when generating, all everything about your app will be entered. Let's click on yes. As you can see, this stuff has saved now. Next thing that we have to do is to go to our section, like section. This is the section here. This is the section. We are only leaving this one now. We can add as many sections as we want, but we want it to be only website because we are converting a website to mobile app and want it to be everything about the website only. So let's leave it like this. Let's leave it like this. Okay, let's go to color. This one now is where you set your colors. Get Set your colors. Now it's button menu. If you want it to show bottom menu, all those bottom menu at the top of every app. But let's leave it because this one now we just want our website to be showing in our app. Like whenever someone open our app, it will be our website that will be showing alone. So we don't need any menu. So next thing now is main icon. Let's check this main icon. This main icon, this is our main icon. This one now will be our main icon. Like whenever people open your app, this will be the icon that will be at the top or you're opening. So next one is top bar. Top bar, I believe, like just like you have these options here, here. In app, there are some that have their app in vertical, in horizontal pattern like this, and also some people have it in their in vertical option. So we are going to remove everything because we don't need all this button. But if you still want to leave it, you can leave it, but make sure that whenever you want to leave it, make sure you click on this button icon here, this pencil icon, to edit it before you leave it. So let's remove it because we don't need it. We don't need it. You click on this arrow to remove it. You click on this arrow to remove it. Then if you want to add it, you click on this left arrow. If you want, like this left arrow, if you want to add remove it, you click on this left arrow. So that's it. Let's click on save. We don't need any top bar icon, so let's remove it. Next thing that we'll do is to set this loading. This one now is very important. This thing that I'm going to do is very important. Like whenever you open an app, there is a splash screen. The first icon that opens first whenever you open any app is what they call splash screen. As you can see here, loading app image in brackets, splash image that is displayed while the app is loading. Like when you open your app for the first time, this is the logo that will show. You get? So now what we'll do is to just like this. As you can see, our logo is already there based on the one that we choose. So what we'll do next is to set it. First of all, let's go to the color. Let's set the color here. Let's start from the bottom. Let's set the color. This place here, style, same general. Let's change it to custom, because without changing it to custom, we cannot set any color. It has to be the one that the app, like this platform here, this app creator 24 set for us. So after setting it on custom, we can now have the privilege to set any color of our choice. So when setting our color, we will choose the color that matches this our logo, so that everything will be in uniform. You get? So now let's choose this one here. Yeah, this one now match our logo. You get? It match the same thing with our logo. So after choosing this one, we'll go to this gradient here. You choose it. Make sure that you choose the same color. Like, let this be the same color. The one that you chose as the background color, let it be the same thing with the gradient color. You get? So you just choose it here. No, it's not the same color. It has the same, has different color image. You have to make sure that you get it right. Okay, yeah, we got it. This one now is H00 666FF 66FF. So yeah, so this one now is loader image. When something is loading, like when you click on something and it's loading, that stuff that will be loading, this is the color that we are setting now. I think it's best if we allow it to be probably red, so that someone will know that something is loading. Let's leave it as red color. Okay, so after setting it now, we are done with the color. This one now is the position. So now is the position. Let's leave it at center, because if like every splash screen is always meant to, that one is not even is a choice. It must be on top, because that's how it's supposed to be. That's the standard way for that's the standard pattern for every splash screen image or whatever. So leave it at the center. So next thing now is the size. Okay, let's check the size. Size. If you want it to be big, if you want it to be small, if you want it to be medium, or whatever. But let's leave it at medium. Good. So next thing now is you will choose if you want it to be with image only, or image and text, or if you don't want it at all. Let's try having this. This is okay. This is one now. This one. Sorry, we'll get back to this. This one now is, let's choose this image, text and image. Let's leave it at only image. Let's leave it at only image. Then this one now is, how long do you want the splash screen to show? Like, when let's assume you open an app like Konga or Amazon. If you open it, you first of all show Amazon logo. This time here is the interval that you want it to show, like the time interval that you want the splash screen to show. It can be 5 seconds, but let's just leave it at 2 seconds, because that's the like standard. You get? So after that, you click on save to save everything that we have done here. You click on save. So that's it. Background image. I don't think we need a background image, because our background image, everything has to be from the website. So let's leave this background image. Get? So let's go. Like, we are done. Like, when you are creating when you are converting a website into an app, this is just few things that you don't really need to do much, except if you want to, do like, let me show you how you can be sending notification to your app whenever, like when your app is up and running. You can be sending notification to users, just like, let me show you this notification here. As you can see, these are notification from apps. Like, these are notification from apps, as you can see here. I'll show you how you can be sending notification to your app as well. Let's go back to this send notification with this app, with this website, app creator 24. You click on new message, you type the title of your message. Like, let's just say this one now is here. Look at this here. Look at this here. Look at this. Like, let's just take this one now for example. This new payment for page. This one now is your title. Then this one now is the subtitle. You get? So let's just leave it. This one now is um hello. Let's just send our first notification. Hello, dear user. Hello, welcome to our app. Welcome to code artist web. Can add any sub menu or any short message of your choice. Let's just say welcome. Okay, we are happy to have you here. Okay, you can either choose to add image or leave it. Like you see this one now here, there's an image here. Like this one now has image. This icon has message. This notification has an image. That's if you want to add any image to your own. But let's leave it. But it's up to you if you want to add image or not. So let's leave it that way. So next thing now is this is where you want the notification to open, like when they tap the icon, the notification wherever you want it to open, you can allow it to open at the like any section that you want. As you can see here, there's only one section that we have, and even if we created any other section, it would have taken all like would have took like it would take us to any like the section that we choose. But this one now we are not going to, like we are only going to leave it at this section because that's the only one that we have. You can choose to leave it at web if you want it to take you to any external web. All you have to do is just to type the URL you get, it will take you. Then if you want it to be a custom message, like you need the message to be long, and you choose custom message. Let me check this custom message so that you see what I mean by custom message and show you. Here this is it here. This is just type your message. Like if you want to enter a long message, a long notification, you get. But mind you, after typing this long message here, what will show is only your your title and your sub menu, your subtitle or your short sen But this one now is when they open it, that's when they can be able to see this. You get, but we're not going to use this is not the one that I'm just showing it for the sake of this tutorial video so that you know everything about sending notification with your website that you just converted to an app. Get it? So now you can either choose to send a message to, like, chat message if you have if your app has a chat section. Although I'm going to teach you how to create a social media or a chat app in my next video. Just make sure you subscribe and turn on your bell notification icon. So let's just send a message here. As you can see, you can just type your message here. Type whatever you want to, hello or whatever, and you send it. You click on next if you want it to, but that's not what we're going to do. As you can see, this is what I was saying. This is what will show your first message and your subtitle. So let's go back. I'm just doing this so that you know everything. So let's just click on this one now here. Let's leave it at app so that you click on next. You click on send. As you can see, message will be sent in few minutes. So that's it. So after you must have finished this, I'm just taking you through all these menus so that you know how to use it. You get. So this thing now is your advert. If you want to monetize your app, you just have to create a Google AdMob account. When you create a Google AdMob account, you come straight to this place, copy your app ID, fill it in all these blank spaces, then save it. We are not monetizing it for now. I'm just using this as a tutorial to teach you how to convert a website into a mobile app. So next thing now is your statistics. This statistics is where you check the performance of your app, where you see how many people how many people installed your app, how many people downloaded your app, how many people that are using your app within any given period of time. So the next thing that we check now is how to download our app. You can either click here. You can either click here or you click here. It's up to you. So you click on download app. When you click on this download app, it will take you to this place here. It will take you to this place. You get. So you click on this download. You click on this download here if you want to download APK. Then you click on this place here, this one that says, do you need the .aab file? Like I explained before, .aab file is the file that you upload to Google Play Store whenever you want to upload your app. You get. So well, for now we are looking at the APK because we are not uploading on Google Play Store now. I'm just using this one now as a tutorial um app for you to learn how to convert any website to an app. You can do this and get paid, $15, $20 per app. You get so let's just download our app and test everything that we have done so far. Okay, let's wait for our app to download. It's downloading. You can see it's downloading now. Okay, it has finished downloading. Let's open it and see what we have just done. As you can see, this is it. Our app is now ready. Good. So you now click on install. When you click on install, you wait for it. Like as you can see, our app is now downloading. It's now installing. This is really, really wonderful. Like it's amazing. So amazing. As you can see here, it's still installing. Just a few minutes. Okay. Whoa! It says app installed. Let's open it and see what we did. Okay. This is your phone checking, like scanning for security, to check if there is any error with it. So it's done. It's done with the scanning. Let's open our app and see what we just did now. Okay, this is it. As you can see, this is the splash screen that I told you about. This is it. Like, and this is the notification that I was telling you about. It's a notification you get. This is it. This is our app. You know, it's downloading. Whoa, this is it. We just converted this website into a mobile app. So wonderful. This is it. We just converted this website into a mobile app that you can easily someone can download it and use it on your phone, on their phone. Okay, this is it. So wonderful. But still there are some things that we need to do here. There are some things that we need there are some corrections that we need to do here. Like this stuff here, we don't want it to be this way. We don't want it to be this way. So let's go to the app and change it. Let's go to our website and change it. Okay. Let's go back and correct it. Okay. Let's go to our design. Go to menu type. This is where you change it. As you can see, this is it. This is why it's this way. It was showing the way it was. You get that's because we chose this one. So for us to correct it, we have to choose this without menu. We don't want it to have any menu. So let's just click on this without menu so that everything will look standard. As you can see, has saved. Let's close this app and then open it again. Let's locate our app. Let's locate it. Okay, this is it. Let's locate it. This is it here. This is the app that we just finished building now. So let's open it now and see if the correction has reflected. Okay. These are the notification that I told you about, the permissions that you have to accept or reject if you want it to show. Okay. Give it a few minutes for it to load. Whoa, the icon, the top menu has gone out. Everything is now looking so nice. Look at everything is now looking like a full responsive app. Like someone can just use this app freely, get so freely, get. So that's how to convert any website to a mobile app. In my next video, I'll teach you how to create a chat app, a social media app. You get just come to my channel here, subscribe. Let me show you how. Let me just. It's very, very simple. It won't take you any dime to subscribe to my channel. You get. Let's just look at my channel here, Militech Hub Web Company. You can just click on subscribe. You turn on the bell notification icon so that whenever I post any video, you'll be the first to get notified about it. See you in my next video. If you have any question or you are confused or you are lost and you want me to put you through, kindly comment on the comment section and don't forget to share this video to any of your friends that you think that might need this video. Thank you.